Hello, family, friends, content creators. Here's why your content is not getting seen. You might have wondered you are consistently posting. You are posting back to back. You post pictures, you post videos, you post reels, and yet people are not seeing them. And you are kind of thinking, what should I do? Or what could be the reason? Here are some reasons why your content is not getting seen. One of the very first reasons is profile/page optimization. The moment you create your Facebook account, that's what we call optimization. You need to optimize it. And what is optimization? Update your description, your profile description, your page description. In other words, what does your page or profile stand for? It's very, very important. And this determines who the algorithm pushes your content to. When your description is not properly optimized or your page is not optimized, then your content just go to just some random people who may virtually not even be interested in your content. Alright, as you can see on this particular profile, I said a Facebook coach, a YouTuber, a video editor. So what is that speaking of? It's trying to say that I post things related to what? Content creation, related to tips and so many other things. I think that's what is bringing to the mind of people. So this is one of the very first thing. Then aside that, channel or say profile settings or page settings. And this is the reason why you need a coach. The moment you create your profile or your page, there's some certain settings you should put in place. I've happened to, set up the profile or the pages of so many of my students, and many of them post content and they are consistent, where their content are not seen. It is because they've not done the right settings. Are you aware that if someone who is having violation tags you, the violation rubs off on you? There are ways to stop that. There are things you should switch on and things you should switch off on your Facebook profile or page. There's something you should do that will make people start seeing your content. In other words, if you are running a profile, both the people that are your friends or followers and the people that are not your friends or followers can see your content. Then we have so many other settings that we can. But in case you want to know about these settings, just indicate in the comment section that I want to know about these settings. So that is the second reason why your content is not getting seen. The third reason why your content is not getting seen: lack of consistency. You will post news today, tomorrow you will post comedy, next tomorrow you post music, another day you post like a vlog, another day you are posting about food. The algorithm will be confused of who to push your content to. So as you see, I post content creation tips here, video editing tips. I'm a content creation coach. In other words, people can consult me to help them sort some things in their profiles and pages. I'm a video editor. Alright, so in other words, the algorithm studies my content and is able to push my content to the right people. At times I just see some people just chat me. I was like, The algorithm is actually helping me do this work. I need to do this on my profile. I want to do this on my page. It is the algorithm that is pushing it. The algorithm knows that people need this type of content. And these people need this type of people. And the algorithm will push. And that's because the algorithm has noticed what? Consistency. If you notice on my other Facebook profile, I post another thing. There I post things related to life and humanity. I post things on music and I post things on education. On my if you notice my other profile, I don't do the same thing like I am doing on this particular profile. So that's how it works. Lack of consistency. So you have to stick to one content. Another reason, fourth reason why your content is not getting seen. You don't have a niche. You have to niche down. You have to narrow down to one particular area before your content can start getting seen. You have to niche down, you have to narrow down to one particular area before your content can start getting seen. Am I posting things about entertainment? I stick to that. Alright. We all know the popular MC Mbakara. MC Mbakara posts family life or lifestyle content. And that's what he sticks to. Blessing Wonsu, the same thing. Huh? Alright. We know of B-Lord. He posts things that has to do with cryptocurrency and all of that. And that's what he has been posting. And it doesn't deviate. You understand? So very, very important. Then, who is a popular comedian you know? Sabinus. Wab Makenje. These people have been posting comedy for years. And that is what they are still posting. They have not changed. So don't get the algorithm confused about your content. Stick to one. You need to have a niche. A niche is very, very important. The sixth reason why your content is not getting seen. There is either a violation on your page or profile. The moment you have a violation on your page or profile, your content is lowered in the algorithm. And that's why you must stick to obeying community rules and guidelines or policies so that your content doesn't get lowered in the feed. So the feed, like while I check my analytics, I see that my content is getting seen in the feed. In other words, when people open Facebook, they just see my content. It is at the top of the feed. I see that for my write-ups, for my pictures, and for my videos. And that's because I'm not having a violation. So you have to obey community rules and guidelines. And if there's a violation on your profile page, you have to go check your support inbox. You have to check, these are places you check every day: your support inbox, your notification. Yes, very, very important. Check those areas to see maybe you may be having a violation. Then check your profile or page status. Very, very important. When you check these areas, you know you are good to go. So these are the few reasons why your content is not getting seen. But I believe if you adjust and you address them, your content will start getting seen. And if you need help or guidance on this, simply state it in the comment section that, oh, help me on this, help me sort this, or help me sort that, and I will reply to you immediately. Thank you for watching. If you've seen this video, please share this video, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Also, you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Just search for Learn with Peter. What I do here is what I also do there. So guys, go check me out. Thank you so much.